If your VA claim just got denied, you could be one decision away from fixing it, or one mistake away from losing thousands of dollars in benefits. And most veterans, they make the wrong move here. What's going on, guys? Eric TheBearedVet with United Veterans Assistance. I'm a 100% disabled Air Force veteran, and I've been through this process myself. And I've seen lots of veterans just like you get denied, but then they get it approved later. But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video so other veterans can actually benefit from this information. And if your claim was already denied and you're ready to get started, click the link below. You'll be able to sign your contract right now, and the Pathfinders here at United Veterans Assistance will be ready to help you with your end of claims process. So let me ask you, does this sound familiar? You open that decision letter after months of waiting just to see denied, right? And you think, what now? Or maybe you're wondering, did I do something wrong? If that's you, make sure and listen, right? But because today I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do next. And stick with me here, because the last step is where most veterans tend to lose the most money. So the first thing is, denied doesn't mean you don't qualify, right? So first things first, a denial doesn't mean you don't deserve the rating. In reality, it just means the VA didn't have what they needed to approve it right now. You might have migraines every week, severe anxiety, chronic back pain, but if the VA doesn't see a clear diagnosis, evidence in your records, or a connection to your service, they're going to deny it. And we see this all the time. Veterans take denials personally. It's hard not to, right? When really you're just missing a small piece. So the question isn't, why did I get denied? It's what was missing, right? Your decision letter tells you everything. And most veterans don't even read this part careful enough. They're so fixed on the denial, they'll throw it away, right? They'll put it to the side because they're just so frustrated. And it literally explains it for you, what they reviewed, what they agree with, and what is missing, right? It may say things like no service connection found, or no current diagnosis, or insufficient medical evidence. And that right there, this is your roadmap. But instead, most veterans just skip this, right? They automatically just jump right in and start filing again. And this leads to one of the biggest mistakes that we see. Don't just refile the same claim. And this is where a lot of time and money gets wasted. Veterans will just submit the exact same claim over and over and over again with the exact same evidence and expect a different result. If nothing has changed, nothing's going to change. If your migraines claim was denied for lack of evidence and you refile without any updated medical records, stronger documentation, right? New buddy letters, a new personal statement, you're gonna get denied again. And now you've just added months to your timeline and possibly hurt yourself even worse of getting that claim approved. So if refiling isn't the answer, then what is? So choosing the right path forward is crucial after denial. You actually have multiple options, and this is where strategy really matters. So let me break it down for you. The different options that you have are: you can file a supplemental claim, you can request a higher level review, or you can file an appeal. So which route should we go? So if you're missing evidence, you're going to want to file a supplemental claim. That allows you to add new and relevant medical evidence to support that claim. If you feel that the VA made a mistake, then you want to go the higher level review route. This is where a more senior level reviewer will actually look at your case, look at everything you currently already submitted. They are not going to look at anything new. This is not the route to submit something new and current medical evidence. This is not where it happens. They're just going to take everything you currently already submitted, re-look at it to make sure that an error wasn't made, and make a new decision on it, right? That's all they're going to do here. And if you have a more complex issue, you're going to want to file an appeal with the board, right? With the Board of Veterans Appeals. But most veterans don't really know which lane to pick. So they just guess, right? And guessing in this process will cost you months of your time of your life, maybe even years of just waiting for the same denial. But even if you choose the right path, there's one thing that matters more than anything else. It all comes down to evidence. And this is the biggest reason that claims get denied. And the biggest reason they get approved later, right? So the truth is, the VA is looking for three things: a current diagnosis, an in service event, and a medical nexus. If one of those is weak, your claim's weak, right? Let's just say you have PTSD, but you have no documented link to your service, or you have back pain that you suffer with every day, but you've never actually gotten an official diagnosis or gone and talked to your PCP about it to make sure it's in your blue button report. That's where claims fall apart. And I get it, right? A lot of veterans, we're trained to just deal with it, to push through the pain. Don't go to medical, take some Advil, you'll be fine. Don't complain about it. But now, the lack of documentation, it's working against you. So if you've been denied, don't take it as this is the end. Take it as constructive criticism. This is useful feedback that the VA is giving you. Because most of the time, it's not that you don't qualify, it's that something is just missing. That's exactly what we help veterans do here at United Veterans Assistance. We help you understand why you were denied, identify what's missing, and help you build the winning strategy to fix it. And if you want help reviewing your decision, go ahead, click on the link below, schedule a time to speak to one of our Pathfinders. And if this has helped you, again, share it with another veteran who might be going through this and could use this information to help them in their claim process. This is Eric the Bearded Vet. I'll talk to y'all next time.